Struggling to pick between MyFitnessPal and MacroFactor to hit your nutrition goals? Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison, breaking down features, databases, and algorithms to help you decide which app best fits your needs. First up, let's talk interface. MyFitnessPal boasts a super user-friendly and simpler interface, perfect for beginners. Its large food database and barcode scanner make logging meals quick and easy. MacroFactor, on the other hand, leans towards a data-driven approach. While it might have a steeper learning curve, it offers more in-depth analysis and personalized recommendations. Now, let's compare databases. MyFitnessPal's massive, community-driven database can be a blessing and a curse. You'll find almost anything, but accuracy can vary. MacroFactor uses a curated and verified database, prioritizing accuracy and consistency, even if it means fewer options. One of MacroFactor's key strengths is its adaptive algorithm, which adjusts your calorie and macro targets based on your actual progress and metabolic changes. This is useful for people actively changing their diet and exercise. MyFitnessPal offers basic calorie tracking and macro breakdowns, but its recommendations are less dynamic and are not the best at adapting to change. Ultimately, the best app depends on you. If you value simplicity and ease of use, MyFitnessPal is a solid choice, but if you're seeking data-driven insights and a personalized approach, MacroFactor might be your perfect match for optimizing your food intake and overall health management.